Welcome to Legacy Ford here in Ponoka. My name's Aaron Toy. We're going to take a look at this 2019 F150 XLT Sport. MSRP on this guy is $59,769. The available rebates, we're looking at $56,519 today. Also, for the month of March, Ford is offering 0% financing on new 2019 F150s or a $4,000 additional rebate. Let's take a look around this truck here, Steve. So this Sport Pack gives you your color match grille and side step and mirrors. This is a 5-liter. So the 5-liter engine here has 395 horsepower, 400 pounds torque. This one will have 10,700 pound tow rating. Take a look at some of the neat features we have. We got our backup camera, LED light. Open up our tailgate. Got our easy access step in the back. Ford's done a great job improving that design over the last couple of years. LED box lights, locking cleats. All of our modern Fords, we have our easy fuel system. It's no more gas cap, tamper-proof double locking mechanism. Keep your gas safe where it's supposed to be and your hands clean at the pumps. Take a look in our back seat here. So we have premium cloth throughout. We also have our WeatherTech mats. 110 standard household plug-in in the back seat, as well as 12 volts. Easy fold on the seat. It's got a nice little hidden toolbox underneath to keep your valuables tucked away. And take a look in the front here. So Sport Pack gives you your console shifter. I've also got all of our tow options in here, our 4-wheel drive. In the XLTs this year, standard is Ford Sync system, so now you can lock and unlock and start this vehicle from your cell phone. Great looking truck all around. My name's Aaron Toy. Feel free to give us a call, 403-783-5501, or direct message us on Facebook to book your test drive today. Legacy Ford, let your legacy start here.